Welcome to this video on adding thumbnails in YouTube. So I'm in my YouTube studio. I've got a YouTube channel which I'm recording a video for, so you can see all of the detail here. If you haven't been to your YouTube studio before, if you're in your account, you'll see the icon in the top right hand corner, and if you click on it, you would see YouTube Studio there. Obviously I'm already in YouTube Studio, but if you're in your account, if you're on your channel, then you'll see YouTube Studio. You can see it up here on the left hand side. And welcome to this video on adding a thumbnail onto your YouTube video. So if you've got a YouTube channel or you just post videos every so often, you'll know that adding a thumbnail really helps to help people understand what the video is about and capture attention. People create very different thumbnails. Some do it to shock, to surprise, to draw in people. My channel's a little bit more about instruction, so they're very structured, they're very specific, and they clearly tell you what you're going to be able to learn in that video. So I've got a video I created here. It's private. I've just uploaded it, and I'm going to go and click into it so we can have a look. Now, because I uploaded this a short while ago, it's already processed in the background, and you'll notice if I go to the thumbnail section, which is what this video is all about, because it's processed, it's giving me free examples, free parts of the video. It's suggesting that might be good to use as a thumbnail. Wow, that's absolutely okay, but I think I'm gonna add my own. You do need to be verified in order to add your own, so if you do get a warning, you may need to go through some steps before you can add your own thumbnail. And don't worry if you upload the wrong one or if there's something wrong with it. Once I've changed that, I'll show you how to update it if you've got the wrong one there, because it happens. I tend to create quite a few thumbnails at the same time just because my process, I like to do it in blocks. So there's always the chance that I'll select the wrong thumbnail that I created for a different video that I'm gonna process in a few minutes. So absolutely have to do that sometimes. So to update this thumbnail, either I'm going to click one of those or I'm going to click update thumbnail. And like I said, you may need to do a few steps. If this won't let you do this, go through that process and then you'll be able to do it. It is well worth it if you're going to be adding loads of videos and you want to get those customized thumbnails on the system. So I'm going to click on upload thumbnail, and it's going to go into my account and see if it can find. So it's going to open up my folders, and I'm in the downloads folder. That's great. So I'm just going to select a YouTube thumbnail that I downloaded and click on open. And it'll upload. It'll take a few seconds, but then that will appear as a quick screenshot down the bottom. And if I click on, not down the bottom, in the middle, if I click on save, that's processed it through. Now you can see in there, I've got my video thumbnail on the left. It's showing me in the middle. But actually, if you look at the title of this is Google Sheets, and the thumbnail says Microsoft Excel. So obviously I've done the wrong one. Now I've done it on purpose so that I can show you the process for if you select the wrong one or you need to update it at some point because it may not be getting the traction you want. So if you have uploaded the wrong one or you need to change it, if you hover over that, you'll see 3 dots. When I click on 3 dots, you can see the change option. You can also download it if you need to and use it somewhere else. But if I click on change, it's just going to take me back to my file. I'm going to select the correct one, click on open, and that's the correct one now. And again, I'm going to go into the top right hand corner. Always remember to click on save. And that's just going to process that through, and I've now got the correct thumbnail on there. Now obviously I've not updated all the rest of the details, so I wouldn't be uploading this one or scheduling it, sending it live until I've done all of that. But a thumbnail is a really important part of the process of getting your YouTube video ready to go live. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know which videos you'd like me to record next.